What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got an informative one. We're gonna be talking about not modifying your suspension until you watch this video. Now, as you know, I've had my fair share at modifying some trucks and modifying the suspension on a truck, actually doing all the work, well, just me and my dad. And now I'm on the verge of modifying this one, but I also have a lot of subscribers who are on the fence. They want to know why, they want to know how, they want to know if they should, is it worth it? So, in today's video, if you're a noob, if you're a beginner, or if you have a lot of experience but you just can't make up your mind, this is the video for you. Alrighty, so the very first thing that you want to ask yourself when you're looking to do this suspension change is why. Figure out the why as far as why you want to actually do this. Knowing the why will actually save you a lot of money, or make you spend more money, but also give you the results that you actually want. Let me explain. If you want to do your lift kit for performance reasons, let's just say for performance, you're gonna want to go with different shocks and different spring. Also different upper control arms. Shout out to Rob Motive, because yeah, those are pretty skinny. But you're also gonna want to do leaf packs, because if you're really going for performance, you're probably gonna want to be able to carry more weight in the front. So you're gonna need stronger springs. You're also going to probably want to do more weight in the rear, so you need better leaf packs. You may just need to add a leaf, or you can just completely take those out and install a heavy duty leaf pack. But if you're just going for looks and you just want to look cooler, you can go with blocks. Blocks are a lot cheaper, a lot easier to install, and if you're just trying to look good, well, then that's all you need. So yeah, once you figure out why you're looking to do it, if it's for performance, well then go with shocks, springs, upper control arms, and a leaf pack. If you're just going for looks, then you can definitely pick up some blocks and call it a day. So we're on Amazon. Everybody has Amazon. Let's just look at the pricing, because everyone wants to know the pricing. So we'll just do 3-inch. That is not inch. $39. These are all block lift kits. So at very most, $150. Now, if you're looking for an actual lift kit, Rough Country is probably the cheapest one you're gonna find, $600 for the lift kit. So $150 versus $600. So there's a pretty significant price gap. So depending on your price range, you can decide which is more reliable, doing the whole suspension or just adding the blocks. Now, also depends on you. If you're driving from A to B and there's only pavement between those, I would just say go with the blocks. Me personally, I'm considering doing the blocks and then doing the suspension lift kit. It would be cool for video purposes to have both installed and see which one I like better, because, well, I haven't done blocks, I've only done the full suspension. So something to consider. One thing that I will say, a lot of the times when people lift their vehicles with blocks, especially on these Tacomas, I don't know if you can see that right there, it would snap. Where the suspension is, at the very bottom, it gets very narrow and it snaps. That's something to consider, because if that snaps, depending on how far you are from home, that's a tow truck. Depending on if you have money for a shock, that's a shock. So it's something to consider. But on the other hand, a couple buddies on my last trip of off-roading, I think one guy had Fox 2.0s all the way around, and then another guy had a setup of Kings. Both of them, after we had been done with it, we met up again, we were at a 7-Eleven, and there was just grease all on the ground, and we didn't know what it was. And both of their shocks, both the Fox and the King shocks, were leaking. I don't know what it is. I think there's oil in there maybe, but they were leaking, and that sucks. Like, those are very expensive lift kits. So you can spend $3,000 or you can spend $200, and there's a risk in between. Me personally, know your limits, know what you're gonna do. If you're going with blocks, do not off-road it. Do not push the suspension. It's not gonna work out for you, and you're gonna be very embarrassed calling AAA to come pick you up. But let's talk about me. Why am I going to change the suspension on my truck? From my last experience lifting the truck, I liked it. It was cool, it was nice. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it for the same reasons I did last time. Last time I did it because I wanted to have 285s. I achieved my 285s. This time I'm actually doing it for more of performance. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I really dislike the ride on the truck. I don't like how much the truck leans forward when you're braking, nor do I like how much it shakes after you hit a simple bump. It's just, I'm not a fan of it, so that's what I'm looking to get rid of. I don't want it on my truck I really don't like it. I may do the block for like a week or two before I get my actual lift kit in, and then just call it a day there. Let me know down below what you guys did, why you guys did what you did. I'm interested. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. At 3,000, we are doing a giveaway. So please help out the channel. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.